In this video, we'll show you a powerful functionality which makes document automation a lot easier. The questions and answers, explanatory notes, and default answers of a template can be managed in one single dialog screen. The functionality makes maintenance of your templates and related Q&A much simpler and less time-consuming. This functionality empowers senior lawyers in reviewing and editing the Q&A elements inserted by paralegals, secretaries, or by us, Weagree's template insertion team. Thanks to the accessibility of the entire Q&A in one dialog screen, your template insertion work can be divided amongst team members. Setting up the template structure and copy-pasting contract clauses can be done by support staff, whilst the advanced aspects of inserting a template, like formulating the Q&A and related guidance, can be completed in a user-friendly way by experienced professionals. Go to the administrator page. Next to each template name, there's an icon with a question mark. Click on it to open the full questionnaire of that template. In the upper part, you can filter the Q&A questions relating to global questions, and if applicable, relating to questions about the names and details of the contracting parties. Per question, you can modify the formulation of the Q&A question, insert an instruction or explanation, which will appear as the guidance info icon next to the Q&A question, and indicate that the user must be made to answer a certain question. For questions with several choice options, you can indicate whether the question must appear with radio buttons, a drop-down, or with checkboxes. For these questions, as well as for editable field questions, the default answer can be inserted. If the user fails to give an answer, you can indicate what needs to be inserted in the generated document. In particular, this may include the tag for the so-called blob enclosed by square brackets. And finally, you can set the authorization level filtering option for that question. After having optimized the Q&A elements, click Save. In the left column below the tag name, the info icon indicates what type of question is triggered. If the tag or formulation is unclear, or if the text needs to be altered, you can click on the tag name to go to the relevant clause in the actual template. Thank you for watching this tutorial on editing the Q&A.